Hey everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a potion decoration. So I started with this instant coffee bottle. You guys can use whatever kind of bottle that you want. You can use a spaghetti sauce jar, a mason jar, a water bottle. I don't think it matters if it's plastic or glass as long as it's clear and see-through. So then I got out my measuring cup and I filled it with just regular tap water, and then I added green food coloring. You will see that later I will add more and more food coloring because I really wanted to get a dark color. So after I got the color that I wanted, I poured some of the water into my jar. I had gotten the sticker off the jar by using an X-Acto knife and just scraping it off. I don't think this is really the best method. It worked, but it took me a long time. So if you guys have a better method, you guys can let me know in the comments. I also put down this blue piece of paper because I wanted to be able to catch any of the water dripping down, but later I changed it to a white piece of paper because I wanted to make sure I could see what color it was without the blue refracting off the water. So then I took these cotton balls and I just kind of broke them apart and I put them in there. I also saw that you could use toy stuffing, but since I had cotton balls, I just wanted to use this method. The cotton balls are what gives it the cloudy look, which I thought makes it look more interesting and more like a potion than just everything floating in there like a sensory bottle, though that could be a fun craft to do at some point as well. So I pushed it down with my paintbrush. You guys can use a popsicle stick or a pencil or just whatever you have. The next thing I did was pour in a generous amount of glitter. I think it could have been fun to try out different sizes of glitter, but this is all they had at the Dollarama, so that's all I used. Also, I was afraid of putting too many different things in it and distracting away from the potion look. I think it's kind of hard to explain, but sometimes when you put too much in one thing, it just looks like a jumbled mess, whereas if you keep things more simple, then you can really see what's in there. I hope that makes sense. So right now I am putting the small eyes in there. For a while I was really trying to get those eyes to face the right direction, but after some time I just decided to give in because I figured, this is probably going to get shaken up. I'm not really going to completely shake it, but over time, things aren't going to stay exactly the same. It is water, so I just figured I might as well just give in and let it do what it wants. I then added some little golden gems that I also got from the Dollarama. And then I just repeated the process until I get to the top of the jar. So I am just going to let it play and I'm going to play some music and I will see you guys at the end.
Wish I could feel what I can't see. Float like a butterfly, scream like a banshee. Something's hiding in the pantry, but I can't find it, so would you please enchant me? Give me a potion for my devotion to the emotion. I've yet to surrender to tales of forever, but never say never, my dear. Can you make me believe it at night when I call for the magic? 'Cause I just wanna feel it when things go bump in the attic, baby. Like a rabbit pulled from a hat, all that I need true love can last. Can you help me to see
Alright, so we're getting right at the end there, just finishing it up, and afterward I just wanted to talk about labels. So you don't have to put a label, but I thought it would be really cute, so I found some free labels online and I printed them on sticker paper. You could also just print this on regular paper and then tape it to your bottle with clear tape. I doubled the labels to fit the page so that way I didn't waste any paper, and then I just cut out one that said Witch's Brew. I thought that would be super cute, and then stuck it on my bottle. I tried a couple of different ribbons. I wanted to use some spooky ribbon, but I couldn't make it work because all of the ribbons were too thick. But then I remembered that I had this twine, so I thought that would be cute. I tied some on there, and then I used hot glue to attach this little plastic leaf that I found at the Dollarama. I got the whole bag for just less than $2 Canadian. And then I was done, and I really love this craft because I think it can be very versatile. You can do it in any color, have anything in the inside that you want, do any kind of outside decorations that you want. Thank you guys for making it to the end of my video, and of course if you like my video, please like and subscribe. This helps me be able to expand my channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. So thanks and bye!